Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A liter of 87 gasoline will cost $1.77 more. $1.23 will be added to the price of 90 gasoline. Automotive diesel will sell for $1.33 more, while $1.33 will be added to the cost of ultra-low sulfur diesel. Kerosene will cost $1.47 more. $1.90 will be added to the price of propane, and $1.48 will be added to the cost of butane. Meanwhile, oil on the global market fell a third consecutive day to a two-week low today. This was due to a build in U.S. crude stockpiles, a negative U.S. economic report, and worries the spread of the COVID-19 Delta variant will weigh on global energy demand. Now, Brent crude for delivery next month fell by $2.03, settling at $70.38 a barrel. On to some currency news. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ intervened in the foreign currency market for the second consecutive day. Now it sold $20 million to 7 banks and 5 cambios at an average rate of $155. This brings a total $50 million the bank's intervention since Tuesday. The central bank again restricted resale to end users. Now, banks and cambios are selling the U.S. dollar for an average $155.28. The Canadian dollar is trading at $123.83. It's costing $216.16 for the pound and $186.66 for the euro. Now, to some company news. Burrito Investments Limited will be going to the equities market to raise more money by way of an additional public offering APO. At an extraordinary general meeting on Tuesday, shareholders approved a resolution for the issuance of an APO by the company to offer up to 160 million ordinary shares. The notice was published on the Jamaica Stock Exchange's website today. The JSE index declined by 189 points, while the junior market index lost 23 points. Among the winners were CAC 2000 9.5% CR preference shares, Kingston Properties, iCreate ordinary shares, Iron Rock Insurance, and Lumber Depot. On the losing side were CAC 2000 ordinary shares, Trans Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, KLE Group, Paramount Trading, and Main Event Entertainment Group. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international news right after the break. Stay with us.
The Business Day, brought to you by
Sagicor Bank Bonus Savings Account, the pooled savings account that pays you a monthly bonus plus regular interest. Together, everyone earns more.
And it's time now for a look at some of the major news stories from around the world.
In news from the region, in St. Vincent, public sector trade unions are planning a protest outside the parliament on Thursday as legislators get ready to debate changes to the Public Health Act. The idea is to allow certain categories of public sector employees to be vaccinated in order to work in frontline jobs. And the Guyana Teachers Union, GTU, Wednesday said it will resist any attempt by the authorities to make mandatory the vaccination of teachers ahead of the new school term. Earlier this week, the government urged teachers to show leadership and get vaccinated as it prepares to reopen schools next month for face-to-face interaction. On the international scene, police in India are investigating the alleged gang rape, murder, and forced cremation of a 9-year-old girl. The horrific crime has sparked angry protests in the capital, New Delhi. The young girl was a member of the Dalit community, India's most oppressed caste. A crematorium priest and 3 employees have been taken into custody. And forest fires are still raging in 6 provinces in southern Turkey. Hundreds of houses have been damaged and at least 8 people died. And the heat wave in the region is making things worse. And that's it for your regional and international roundup. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.
And the primetime package continues with sports right after this break.